Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have some new effects in Adobe Illustrator. They are very useful and I'm sure you will enjoy use them. I'm talking about Pathfinder effects. So let's start. These effects work with groups, layers or text. And the first one is add effect. This effect is used for merging two shapes and pick up the color of the upper one. For example, I will make two rectangles like this and choose any color and increase the stroke and make another one like this and change the color. Now select the two shapes and make them group. Now open effect menu and Pathfinder and click on add. Now the Illustrator merging the two shapes and pick up the color of the upper one. And I can go back like this and make the another rectangle upper one from arrange and send bring to front and now make them group effect Pathfinder and add and they will be in the another color. The second effect today is intersect. This effect is used for cutting the intersection of the shapes. For example, I have these shapes and now I will make them group. Open effect menu and Pathfinder and click on intersect. Now the program cuts the intersection of the two shapes and pick the color of the upper one. But the two shapes still here. And that is the difference between Pathfinder effect and Pathfinder panel. In Pathfinder panel, you make a compound shape but destroying the first shapes. But in effects, you keep the first shapes. And I can use direct selection tool to move shapes to change the effect. The next one is exclude effect. This effect is used for cutting the intersection between shapes. For example, I will select all shapes and make group and from effect menu, Pathfinder and exclude. Now I cut the intersection between two shapes and pick up the color of the upper one. The next one is subtract effect. This effect is used for cut the upper shape from the lower shape. For example, I will make them group and now click on subtract. Now I cut the upper shape from the other one. And the opposite of subtract is the next effect, minus back. This effect is used for cutting the lower shape from the upper one. For example, I will make them group and now choose minus back. Now I cut the lower one from the upper one. The next effect is divide effect. This effect is used for dividing the intersection between shapes. For example, make group and now from effect choose divide. Now the Illustrator dividing the intersection between them. The next one is trim effect. This effect is used for removing all strokes from shapes. Now I have two shapes with strokes and now I will use trim and removing strokes. The next one is merge effect. This effect also removing any stroke or removing any hidden shapes. For example, I will select shapes, make group and choose merge and removing any stroke. The next one is group effect. This effect is used for breaking your design and also removing any extra stroke. For example, make group and choose crop and that is the result. The next one is outline effect. This effect is used for removing the shape and make outline for the shape with the fill color. For example, I will make group and now choose outline. Now Illustrator removing the shape and make outline with the shape color. You can see it here with the red color and here with orange one. The next one is hard mix. This effect is used for mixing fill color of shapes but with dark tone. For example, I have two shapes, make group, and now choose hard mix. Now you can see the illustrator mixing the color between the shapes and remove the stroke. The next one is soft mix. This effect is used for mixing fill color of shapes but in the soft tone, like this. Make group and now choose soft mix. You can choose here mixing rate, like this, and you can see it. The last one is trap effect. This effect is used for merging colors in your design to reduce any gaps. For example, I will make group and now choose trap. Now I can increase or decrease the thickness of merging, like this. You can see it here, and the height and width and tint reduction, can increase it or decrease it. Now for example, I will make this logo by Pathfinder Effects. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.